Sarah. I'm re-recording this video because I had a problem with my mic, and this is what it sounded like. So I have to re-record the video. I'm using that mic still. I don't know if it heard any of that. That's great. So I am on page 227 now. I've gotten a little bit of progress made today. I made a little bit of progress last week when I was camping, after I had recorded my video. And so that's kind of just where that's at right now. I am going to try to get this done this week. It is a little thicker. It's a little bit meatier. It is kind of the climax of the story. So I need to make sure everything is correct here. So it is taking a little bit more time to edit it, but it's because I want to get it right. And then after that, it's going to go out to beta readers, and then we'll see where it goes from there. I'm really hoping that I can get it out late summer, early fall, and that would, of course, be through Drive-Thru Fiction, which is where I release everything. Because that's where my husband publishes through, and I'm basically publishing under his publishing company. That would be where that would be available. But yeah, so I'm making some progress, but I do now need to record a video, or need to edit a video still, which is like a whole thing. But yeah, mostly this week I've been playing video games and relaxing, and you know, there's time for that or whatever, but it's time to get back into it and get this done with, and finish this edit. And it's not impossible for me to finish this week if I sit down and actually do it when I'm available to do it. I'm hoping to kind of work on that this week and kind of refocus myself on things that are really important, like my writing. So yeah. But I think that's all I've got this week. If you want to become a patron on my Patreon and get the book cover before everyone else does, you can follow the link below and pledge an amount. You pledge like a monthly amount, and then you cancel it when you want to cancel it. So, and then if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, or you can tweet me at wordsmithsarah, and my links for my Twitter, my Snapchat, and my Instagram are all below as well. So hit me up on any of those anytime you'd like, and I will see you all next week, and I hope you have a good week and that you have good writing. Bye!